today. Good evening, everybody. Hello, hello. So, shall we go alphabetically as we did go in the last class? So, shall we start with Orithro?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Can you please turn your video on?
I'm right now. I'm not in a position to turn my video on.
Why you are not in a position to turn
I'm
your
in a,
video on, my dear?
actually I'm in a dark room right now.
Okay, so get the room enlightened.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, so can I see you right now? Yes. Okay. So, how much time did it take for you to enlighten the
Uh,
dark room?
One second, 1 second.
So, why did you come up with an explanation which you knew that it's not going to hold
Because
on?
I didn't expected you to tell me that because before that you haven't told anyone to turn on the camera. So suddenly right now you are telling me to turn on my
Okay.
camera. I was surprised.
Okay, okay, I understand. But I believe that you are not in a position which made you feel uncomfortable or embarrassed. You are not in a state like that, right?
No, no,
It did
I'm
not make
fine.
you embarrassed, huh? Okay, 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 okay. So let me ask you one thing. That is, what is your takeaway experience out of this? What is your takeaway experience out of this? That is this. You were expecting something to happen in one way, and something out of the box was asked to you, and you could accommodate to the situation readily. So, what is your takeaway message out of it? You must expect what is the unexpected. Okay, so should I put it in this way that that you should always be prepared for surprises in life?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Always.
Okay, okay, okay. So if we take this incident a bit more closer, that is, what is the ideal preparation format that we are expected to be in when we are in an academic discussion, a panel discussion, anything which can ask for your physical presence at any point of time? How would you like to put this?
Well, in case of any academic discussion like in college, we must be dressed in our formal and be ready with notebook,
Okay, so
pencil,
this is a
and
kind of
everything.
an interaction that you are having, which is going to help you to shine better in your academic and your professional life, right?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Okay, so this is the takeaway message for both of us, that we should be ready for the surprises in life, one, and more
Yes.
importantly, we should be keeping ourselves prepared in such a way so that we can be on our toes at any point of time we are asked to. So it was lovely of that entire interaction. So it's a kind of an ideal preparation that we are talking about. Orithro, let me know that if you are given one day to spend, ideally, okay, you are given one day and you are asked to spend it in your ideal choices, what would be in the platter of your ideal choices?
Well, I would spend most of my time with my parents because family time is
Fine.
important.
Fine, fine. But it's the spending of an ideal day. Please listen to the question. I told you to listen to the question in a better way in the last class, also, right? That if you're asked to spend a day ideally, so what are the choices that's going to be on your platter? What are the choices? Spending the day with your parent is one of the options. And
I could
if
read
you have
books.
to
I love reading books.
think of the
It's
question,
one of
think
my
of the
hobby.
question and answer.
What
You
I
don't have to
do.
answer instantaneously.
Mm,
Think of the question and answer. We are not running to catch any train. Neither you nor me.
well, my hobbies include playing books, playing chess, or playing football. So I would, of course, pursue one of my hobbies, and for the rest of the time, I would spend with my parents because family time. Nowadays, we rarely get time to spend with our parents. So, 50% of my time I will spend with my family. And the other
Okay.
50% I would follow my hobbies.
Which date did India start with a lockdown? Do you remember during this COVID-19?
Mm, during April,
Mhm. 23rd of March.
March. Yeah, March.
Okay. So since 23rd of March to this 1st of December, it has been almost a span of 8 months, right? Where do you spend most of your time nowadays?
Nowadays,
With
since
whom do you spend most of your times nowadays?
lockdown is still going on, so I am staying in my home, and nowadays I spend my time pursuing my hobbies. Like I love to read books, I love to play chess. I spend my time doing indoor activities.
Okay. So if you are spending time being indoor, so should I look at it in this way that you are not being able to spend your time with your parents, even in spite of being indoor?
No, I am being able to spend my time with my parents.
Then your statement in your last answer was that nowadays people hardly get time to spend time with your parents. So now when you are referring to a phrase, listen to me carefully. When you are referring to a phrase that nowadays, what is the tenure of this nowadays that you have to give a thought of, okay? Because whatever you are answering, your next questions are going to pop up from there. For any
Okay.
intelligent recruiter or interviewer, they do not sit with a questionnaire in their hand. They go by the flow. Most of the cases, they go by the flow. So if your answers reflect that you are not well thought of, it is going to stand against you. I repeat, it is going to stand against you. If you tell
Okay.
me that nowadays people hardly get time to spend time with their family and parents, then the immediate question comes up, then why didn't you spend time with your family and your parents when we all are forcefully staying indoor? We are bound to spend time with our parents and our families nowadays, right? Because we are actually saving our time much of by not going to schools, colleges, offices due to lockdown and all the other social restrictions that we are bounded to, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So please put it in this way that spending time with parents is any time a priority to me, because they are the people because of whom I am who am I today. So if I am given a day to spend ideally, first I would like to spend it the best way I can spend with my parents. Besides that, I would also like to save some time for my passions, for my hobbies, and blah blah blah. That makes the answer complete, that what are the things that are on your platter. And please don't forget to mention what are the things that you want to do when you want to spend time with your parents. Okay, because please
Okay.
understand one thing, ideal is a word which does not exist in real time, because ideal is something which symbolizes something like a dream coming true, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ideal is a word which is an impossibility in real world. Ideal is a dream which symbolizes something like dream coming true. And we actually aspire the life for chasing that dream so that we can materialize it someday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, for example, you want to take your parents to a fine dining, or you want to take your parents for a grand gala lunch to the best of the hotels in Kolkata, be it ITC Royal, be it Taj, whatever. But you are non earning right now. So that can be your aspiration to spend an ideal day along with your parents. Or if your parents love something else, you can do that for them. It's not only because of your choices, it's more because of what they want uh, you to do. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So
You are right.
please, yes, that's what, thank you. I'm right. Okay, thank you. So my take home suggestion for you after this answer is, whenever you are answering, please don't হড়বড়. তুমি খুব হড়বড় করো. ইমিডিয়েটলি একটা প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞেস করলে সবসময় সঙ্গে সঙ্গে বলে দিতে হবে, কেউ বলেনি। Ask for a time of 1 and 2 minutes. It is better to come up with a composed answer rather than coming with an answer which is very abrupt but hodgepodge, তাই না? এমন একটা উত্তর দিলে যেখান থেকে 5টা ক্রস কোয়েশ্চেন বেরিয়ে গেল, তোমার থট প্রসেসে ল্যাকিউনা আছে সেটা বেরিয়ে গেল, সেটা করে কোন লাভটা হবে?
একদম একদম
তুমি
ঠিক
লজিক্যালি
বলেছেন।
এগ্রি করছো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম,
ঠিক বলেছি? বাহ, ভেরি গুড।
একদম একদম।
So this is your practice. This is your practice. Don't be judgmental when you are answering, okay?
ওকে ম্যাম।
We all have foolish dreams. And dreams are never foolish. Take it. It is the dream that I believe in because someday it becomes reality to me. Somebody has a foolish dream someday that I'll bring a Mercedes, I'll bought a Jaguar, right? I'll buy a Jaguar. And someday it materializes. So it is not a foolish thing that keeps you pushed, and you keep and go and chase your dream, right?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
So don't be afraid of that. Be honest, be humble, but don't be judgmental, and don't run after time. You will have ample amount of time to answer, but think before you answer. You don't think before you answer. Am I right?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Okay. Oritra, it was
থ্যাংক
lovely
ইউ।
talking to you. Lovely talking to you. Now, if you wish, you can turn your room dark again. It was lovely meeting you
থ্যাংক
today.
ইউ ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Anisha Jaiswal, yes.
Ma'am,
You will
don't
also.
judge me, but I am overly dressed.
Sorry?
Ma'am, don't judge me. I'm overly dressed.
I won't judge you. You think that I'm a judgmental person.
Means, ma'am, literally, I'm overly dressed.
I cannot even see anything except your face. So please don't be ashamed. Okay. Okay. I really cannot see anything except your smiling face. So things are not going to make much difference. Okay. So you described yourself that, ma'am, I am overly dressed. So what is exactly this being overly dressed? What
Ma'am,
defines a person to be overdressed?
Ma'am, without any occasion, and this meeting is going on, so I was just trying on my clothes. I was trying to do some makeup and spend my time.
Okay, so there comes my next question to you. If you are given 1 day to spend ideally, will that include what you have been doing right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Oh my God, she's so happy. Okay, okay. So should I take it like this, that you have a passion for fashion and accessories and makeup and aesthetics, like stuffs like that?
Yes,
You're a
ma'am, because
fashionista?
yes, ma'am, because it was my passion to be a fashion blogger as well as fashion designer. But I was not confident in doing that. Means the
Why?
fashion, ma'am, because though I have an interest in that, I have a keen interest in that, but I don't means I don't want to be in that line, in matlab, purely in that line. I just want to dress my own dresses. I want to be in my own zone, like
Do
that.
you know, Anisha, that a girl like you, when you are passing statements like that, it creates a lot of confusion about your image because you are a very straightforward girl. Anybody who will talk to you for 1 or 2 minutes will readily understand that you are not a person who can camouflage much. Okay,
Yes,
so I believe you also agree to that, right?
yes, ma'am.
So, okay. So now when you are saying that I have a passion for this, I want to pursue this, but I solely cannot be into it. It seems like that you are under a lot of conditions which are not your own. Am I right?
No, exactly not conditions. I will be saying means I don't want to pursue fashion designing as my course. That's the thing.
Okay. Okay. So what stops you from pursuing that? You can be honest.
Ma'am, because as I have seen much means many of my friends, they have done the course, but they have not reached the ultimate success. Everyone cannot be Manish Malhotra or Sabyasachi.
Okay. Okay, so are you actually, when you talked about two things, like when I asked you that if you are given one day to spend it ideally, would it include what you have been doing today? You said yes. So it says that what you have been doing right now comes under your dream activities, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
it is the ideal activity that you aspire to do. Okay, but when you are answering that you do not want to pursue the career of being a fashion person uh, thoroughly because of XYZ reasons, you are not chasing things ideally. Now you name two people that Manish Malhotra and Sabyasachi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody cannot be, but those who can be become the ideal phenomenon.
Yes, ma'am. In their path of life, they are.
So whom do we are inspired by, the ideal ones or the exception who could not make it by them? Who inspire us? The people who could make it or the people who could not make it? When we
हम लोग
take example to give it to somebody else, हम किसके मिसाल देते हैं? जो लोग कर चुके हैं और कर सकते थे उसके, और जो लोग नहीं कर पाए उसके.
मैम हम लोग एग्जाम्पल्स उनके देते जो लोग करके एक पोजीशन पे है.
Okay, so those who could do it, right?
यस मैम.
Okay, so those who could do it, they are the ideal achievers.
Yes, ma'am, you can say so. Even the ones who cannot, even they will be ideal achiever in whatever path they choose the next.
So what differentiates an ideal achiever from a non-achiever, you think?
Ma'am, the brand image
You
or
think
the
brand image
hard work.
pops up from the sky and falls into our lap?
Ma'am,
Does
their
it
hard
happen
work.
like that? Yes. Now you're on your track. Yes. So what differentiates an achiever on an ideal scale from a non-achiever?
The hard work, their
And
passion, their complete passion towards their career.
and more importantly, the conviction with which they could believe that they can be the ideal one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the last class, what did I tell you? Whatever you are answering, if you have to add anything derogatory to it, which is not so positive, please add it at a sub point, but don't start the answer with that. Bring the ray of hope in you and bring the ray of hope in your answer also, so that it passes on to the person who is sitting next to you or who is sitting across the table to you, right? You remember the smart way of making Kolkata green I asked you in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
You forgot, I remembered.
Ma'am, I started with a negative thought.
And I told you the lessons that I'm giving you right now. Did I give that to you?
Yes, ma'am, you did.
Yes, I did. But you did not work on it. That's a bad thing.
Ma'am, I will surely try to do in
Please
by
do.
the next week.
Please do.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do. You cannot do it. See, the kind of a person you are, you cannot give wrong or false answers, okay? Whatever is in your mind, it will come out of your answer, that's for sure. And that much maturity and experience, the people like us who sit across the table, we have gained so that we understand who is what, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
unless and until you practice this positive thinking in your brain, your answers are not going to showcase that. I can give it a veto. So start practicing thinking in a positive direction. Your answers will automatically become positive. You could have answered it in this way, na, that I primarily and ideally wanted to be a fashion blogger, but because of many realistic restrictions I could not follow my passion as of now. But I am hopeful, if things go fine someday or otherwise, I will pursue and I will achieve what I wanted to be. I think that if true perception, sorry, if I think that if true conviction and determination and hard work is assisted with blessings from Almighty, nothing is unachievable. Your answer could be this also. बट यू कहाँ से पकड़ के ले आया सब्यसाची को, मनीष मल्होत्रा को, अग्निमित्रा पॉल को? बेचारियों को क्या दोष है? You cannot blame them because they are successful, यार.
I'm not naming them.
The way you answered it, it sounded like, oh my God, that fellow became. Most of the people, they could not. Why? You don't need to do that. Be
Ma'am, I have a
happy.
question for
There are a
you.
lot of people. There are a lot of people who are sitting home, getting morbid, shedding tears, imagining how pathetic the world will become after recession. What a damn they have given to their life. You are doing a wonderful job. You are making yourself raised. You are making yourself looking pretty and beautiful. You are spreading positive energy. So why you are afraid of it? Have faith in whatever you do in life, beta. That will help you to shine better. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a
Okay. So you have a
question for
question.
you.
Please have
Ma'am,
an easy one because I'm not good
yes,
at
ma'am,
answering
surely,
questions.
surely. Ma'am, should I continue with my fashion? Means I should follow it.
Please follow whatever your heart says along with rational senses. Don't forget your passion because एक उम्र के बाद आप अपने आप को घसीटोगे. Don't do that. If your heart wants something, please go and follow it because career is a thing. Take it from me, I'm quite senior to you. Career is a thing which has to be dragged for a very long time in life. You cannot drag anything if you don't love it. Okay. प्यार के बिना जीना बहुत मुश्किल होता है बेटा. आसान नहीं होगा. ठीक है ना?
Ma'am, even I have a love for marketing. So what should I conclude
Okay,
that I
can
should
we
open my
talk
own?
about it in some in the next class because there are other people waiting and we
Sure.
have some 8 9 minutes left. Okay, take care.
Sorry,
Okay, it was.
sorry,
Don't be
other
sorry. Don't be sorry.
participants.
No, no, don't be sorry. Okay, so we have Yuvraj and Khushbu. So we will go to Khushbu. Khushbu, please turn your video on. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. I am with my kids, ma'am. So
Okay, no, not an issue. I'd like to see them smiling if you're okay with that.
maybe she start crying.
Okay, okay, no
Okay.
issues, no issues. Okay. If you're comfortable only, then only we will talk. Yeah. Can you please turn your video on? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Khushbu, so seeing you after a very long time, how are you practicing to better your to get your communication skill better? Yeah.
Same, I'm with my kids.
How are you practicing to get your communication skills better?
Ma'am, I'm doing. I'm just studying on my topics. What topic is going on? So I start learning all the time with my kids, or maybe in the free time. I start learning nowadays.
Mm-hmm. I think Khushbu is a bit uncomfortable to talk right now. So,
Yes,
okay. You manage with the children. Okay, you manage with the children. Okay. Okay, so Yuvraj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Yuvraj is there or
No,
somebody
ma'am.
else? I
Actually,
couldn't
my
understand.
brother
Yeah.
uses this laptop, this Zoom ID, so I didn't notice the name before, and I just logged in.
Okay, so you are going to be with here with us today?
Yes, ma'am. I was there yesterday also.
Okay, sorry, I was not there in the yesterday's
Yes,
session. So
ma'am.
can you please introduce yourself with some 3 4 lines?
Ma'am, I'm Charvi Gupta. I have started this
Okay.
session only yesterday. No,
Okay.
I mean on Sunday, and I am studying in Chandigarh MCM DAV College for Girls.
Okay, what are you studying, my dear?
Ma'am, I'm studying BCom.
BCom. Okay, okay. How cold it is in Chandigarh right now?
It's quite cold. Like I stay in the blankets all the day, or I
Oh,
just
you
go to
stay
the
in the
roof.
blankets all the day, so it's pretty cold. Pretty,
Yes,
pretty cold.
or I go to the roof if the sun is nice. I like
Okay,
on the roofs. Yes.
okay, okay. Charu, your name you told, right?
Charvi.
Charvi. Okay, okay, Charvi. Okay. So, Charvi, what is your ideal career that you want to achieve in someday?
My ideal career is to be a businesswoman, or you can say like it's not exactly a businesswoman. It's to be a successful person standing on top of all the others. Like all the guys, they cannot just bring me down. That no, you have to do this or that. No, I will be above you.
So, whom does this list includes in your set of all the guys?
The one that look down on girls that know they have to stay at home, do the work home, like homeworks, home chores. Like I know they are not insignificant. I know they are actually quite because I have doing them from young age, like, yes. But
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
yes, ma'am.
If you do not feel bad, you can answer. If you feel that it is too private, you can skip. I won't mind. But please do not mind with my question, okay? Do you come after seeing a lot of hardship in your personal life? Yeah, and in social life? Have you seen lot of hardships?
No, ma'am, actually in social life, yes, but not in my, like, not in my family. Like in school,
Okay.
yes, but in my family is quite good. No, they are quite
No,
supportive.
okay, okay. So, whenever you start talking about these gender discriminated issues, people start indicating or tagging you to some isms. Okay, you understand what I mean?
Yes, ma'am.
ये लड़की तो बहुत feminist जैसी बातें करती है. People start talking like that. I believe as a woman that it is more important to be a successful professional than being a successful lady professional. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And only you can ensure that. Whenever you start talking with the gender issues yourself, it shows your weaknesses. Whenever you're talking to anybody, anywhere, be it your college, you are only in the first year of your academic session, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you are talking to anybody in your professional life, academic life, don't let the other person know about what your weaknesses have been. Please don't do that. It shows your weaknesses actually. Please focus on the part how you changed your weaknesses into your opportunities so that it becomes your credential.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am, I got your point. It shows my weakness, so yeah, I got it.
Why should you talk about your weakness yourself? We all have
Yes, ma'am.
weaknesses. Do we need to go and declare it to in front of everybody? No.
No, ma'am.
And more importantly, please don't use such amorphous words like I want to stand. Please don't think that I am aping you. I'm just quoting your answer to make you understand the difference between your answer and what the answer could be in a better
Yes,
version.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
I'm
Fine.
not trying to I'm not trying to ape you, so
No,
please
ma'am,
don't feel
that's
bad.
actually
Okay?
much better than the sugar-coated words.
Because those things are actually going to help you, beta. If I tell you that kya baat, that's not going to help you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why I'm trying to make you understand that what should be the way of placing an answer. The way you answered that I want to be a successful businesswoman, I just want to stand on the top of all guys who just defame the women for their household stuffs. Then you started saying that I'm not against these household activities because I have been doing this since my younger age. It sounds like you are trying to justify your point along with not trying to make them annoyed. You don't have so much to do. You are asked to answer what could be your ideal career choice. Your question was what could be your ideal career choice, right? Please define something very specific. I want to be a successful professional in whatever field of career I aspire and I choose.
Yes, ma'am.
It can be an engineering curriculum, it can be a marketing curriculum, it can be a fashion blog, it can be a visual artist, it can be anything, but I want to be successful in my own terms. किसने तुमको कब नीचा दिखाया है ये बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है, ये खुद को नीचा दिखाने का एक इरादा होता है. डोंट डू दैट बेटा. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Please be very hopeful, please be very positive whenever you are answering. And whenever you are sitting alone, please ask yourself that, Charvi, what you want as a complete successful career. You just started the session with us in the last week, which is on this Sunday, you told me. So you will go a longer way with us, right? So you will be interacting a lot of mentors in a lot of different sessions, and you will groom up yourself in a much better way. But the thinking process, na, that has to happen in you. I cannot think on behalf of you.
Yes,
Some other mentors cannot think on behalf of you. We can help you to show you the path, the way you have to answer, the way you have to communicate. But you have to do it for yourself, beta.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I,
Understood?
May I ask a question, ma'am?
Please,
Ma'am, like,
easy पूछना because I'm not good at answering difficult
no,
questions.
ma'am, it's just related to what you said. So, like,
Okay.
ma'am, I don't have to necessarily think that if the other person, like, I have to just say what I want to say, na? Or I should put it in a better way. Sorry, I just.
See, there are certain norms which we should follow. Like, you will not make any political judgmental statements in your answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The same thing that I told to somebody who was just before you, perhaps it's Anisha, don't be judgmental. It shows a very, very restricted mindset. ये ठीक है, ये गलत है, तुम कौन होते हो, मैं कौन होती हूँ ठीक करने
Yes,
वाले,
ma'am.
है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
Rights and wrongs are perspective dependent. Don't use political agendas. Don't drag religious references. Don't drag personal experiences while answering. Don't mention anything that goes different perspectives in terms of social values. Say, for example, in states like Rajasthan, women empowerment altogether has got a very, very different ball game to play with. Parda hatao, ghungat uthao movement is still there going on. You never know that whether the person in the recruitment board is from Rajasthan or Jaipur or Jodhpur or not. He might have a very reservative mindset which goes against your evaluation. तुमको क्या
Yes,
पड़ा
ma'am.
है?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are asked on the point, then you are free to give your opinion as bold as you can. अपने हक जताने का right है तुम्हें. You can speak your mind, but you need not speak your mind in a judgmental way for questions like what can be your ideal career choice.
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
You need to be assertive. The answer to your question is you need to be assertive. One, you need to be very clean to yourself that what your answers are going to be. Three, you need to be very, very convinced with whatever your answers are. Because depending on that, your next questions will pop up. Please remember this, okay? Depending on what your answer is right now, your next questions will pop up. You tell me something now, I will ask questions from your last answers.
Yes.
साइकोमेट्री टेस्ट तो तुम्हारा हो ही जाएगा, तुम ज्यादा वक्त तब छुपने नहीं पाओगी, सबका होता है, ठीक है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
तो इट इज बेटर टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
तुमको तो किसी को धोखा देना है नहीं,
Yes,
इधर
ma'am.
अपना काम संभालना है. तो उस तो तुम्हारे सच्चाई से और तुम्हारे काबिलियत से ही वो काम हो जाएगा, तुम्हें तो डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो
Yes, ma'am.
you need to be afraid, okay?
Yes.
Be assertive, be confident, be clean your answers, and please be able enough to put across direction in a humble way so that it shows an openness. ऐसा हो सकता है कि तुम्हें ऐसा कुछ पूछा गया हो जिसके बारे में तुम्हारा एक रिवर्स ओपिनियन है, बोलो, लास्ट में बोलो. Additionally, I think that this can be a trade-off, which shows that you have an open spectrum of mind and you are not somebody who is just with the motive of oiling your recruiters. No. I can have a different opinion and I can place it across with lot of logic and
Yes,
humbleness.
ma'am.
You got my
Yes, ma'am. I
point?
got your point. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much, Arvi. I wish you a lot of success, happiness, health, prosperity, and may you achieve your dreams very soon. And we are happy that you joined us,
Thank you.
and we will have a long journey with LWT in a coming time. So, Veena, shall we wrap up the session for today here? Veena? Veena is
Ma'am,
not
if
there.
you don't mind, could I say something?
Veena, are you there?
Yeah,
एक
thank
minute
you,
बेटा.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Veena, are you there?
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are now. Yeah. So, shall we wrap up the session here?
Yes, thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Anisha. We will listen to you in the next session. Okay. Please
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
mind.
That